Hello, Satu Karisma. How are you? Okay, today we are going to learn about preposition. Preposition. You can see the animals here: lizard, rat, and cat. For this preposition, we are going to learn about under. Can we say it together? Under. Next is on. On. And the last one, in. In. Let us see how this preposition used in the sentences. First, you can see the lizard here. Very naughty lizard. The lizard, this is the lizard. The lizard is on the back. The lizard, this is lizard, and this is back. The lizard is on the back. The lizard is on the back. See? You can see the lizard is on the back. Number 2. Now we look at the rat. This is rat. The rat is under the desk. The rat is under the desk. You can see the desk is here. So this is the rat. It is under the desk. The rat is under the desk. And then we look at the rat. You know, I think you already recognize the rat here, right? The rat is on the book. The rat is on the book. Remember, on is on. That means you are above or upper of the things. The spider. See, this is a spider inside. Can you see? Let me change the color first. Okay, we put red inside here. The spider is in the pencil case. The spider is in the pencil case. So then, under. See, the spider. The spider is under the book. This is the book, right? You can see. The spider is under the book. Next. Oh my God, the frog. The frog is on the bed. The frog is on the back. Is this frog? Frog or lizard? Oh my God, this is lizard, no frog. Change. We call lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D. The lizard is in the pencil case. The lizard is in the pencil case. I'm sorry about this one, class, because I thought this was a frog. This is a lizard. Bad. Sorry. So we can see the lizard is in the pencil case. Next. The cat, the meow. The cat is on the book. The cat is on the book. Now, this is the frog. The frog is in the bag. Oh my God. If I see the frog inside my bag, I don't know what to do. The frog is in the bag. So, you know what's the meaning in, right? Something that inside here. Again, the frog is in the bag. Now we can see the cat. What is cat doing here? Sleeping. The cat is under the desk. The cat is under the desk. Okay, class. I hope you do understand now how to use in, on, and under. See my handwriting here, very what I call unique. Under, in, on, and under. You can check again this YouTube class if you want to try understand in, on, and under. Okay, hope to see you again by next week, I think. Bye. Jangan malas-malas belajar kita nih. Hope to see you again soon.